I fucked up. I lost over 2500 followers in last 6 months. And trust me, it wasn't just some random drop or a change in algorithm. It was my fault. I did things wrong. I ignored things when I shouldn't have. And worst of all, I thought everything that I was doing was absolutely fine. But here's the scary part. You, my friend, might be doing the same things that are affecting not only your social media, but also your personal life. So today, I'm breaking down exactly how I lost 2500 followers and how you can prevent that from happening to you. Let's go back where it all started. 6 months ago, I was growing consistently. The engagement was on fire. Everything looked perfect. A small drop here and there didn't really matter to me. It wasn't my concern. I was looking at the bigger picture. Suddenly, it snowballed. By the time I realized I had lost over 2500 followers. At first, I wanted to blame the algorithm. Maybe it changed in some particular way. Maybe Instagram shadow banned me. Maybe my content was not getting pushed to certain people who like the kind of content I make. But then I looked deeper, not just into Instagram, but into my personal life too. These mistakes might be a distraction to you too. Number one, inconsistency. I thought if I came back stronger with more content and more production, it would be better for my Instagram growth. But I realized it's all about consistency. Number two, I was just not innovating enough content. My editing style was the same. The way I talk in my videos was also the same. People got bored. And third, my overall lifestyle. I got really lazy. I didn't focus on other areas of my life. Everything was really casual. I had the money, I had the friends that I needed, but I was just not focusing on how deeply it would all affect me down the line. Do mind this. When I talk about money and friends, that does not mean you should not be focusing on those things. You should be having balance of each thing in your life. Good friends who seriously want you to excel in life, or it be your financial goals. For me, I pedestalize my friendship and the financial goals I have over my social media presence. So what's next? I'll be fixing these mistakes one by one. I'll work on new content styles. I'll create an engaging community and bring real value to the table. I'll help people out more often. I'll even drop a Google Docs in which you can submit your Instagram ID where I can review your Instagram and make content about it. And if you want some free value on how I went from 0 to 12,000 followers in less than 70 days, then keep watching my videos, subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come. And if you want me to personally help you along the way to your 0 to 10,000 followers Instagram journey, DM me the word grow on my Instagram. The link is in description. In the past, I've helped people like Aarohan and Daksh reach over 40,000 followers in weeks. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.